All right, let's get right into it. Today, we are talking about something that affects so many of us, but we don't always talk about it. How to finally say goodbye to those tingling hands and weak, wobbly legs.
You know that feeling, right? Your hands just start to go numb out of nowhere, or your legs feel unsteady, like they might give out. It's so frustrating. It feels like your own body is sabotaging you, just keeping you from doing the things you really love.
But what if I told you the solution wasn't some fancy, expensive prescription? What if the real key to feeling stronger, more stable, is actually sitting right there in your kitchen? Yeah, let's dive into what that means. So, first things first, we need to talk about what I like to call the body's forgotten glue. Honestly, for so many people dealing with these exact symptoms, this is the missing piece of the whole puzzle. Now, when I say the word collagen, what pops into your head? I bet it's face creams, right? Anti-wrinkle stuff, beauty supplements. But that is such a tiny part of the story, especially when we're talking about staying active and strong. See, collagen is the main structural protein in our bodies. I mean, think of it as the literal glue holding your joints together. But it also forms the protective coating around your nerves. And when that coating gets weak, nerve signals they get scrambled. And that is what leads directly to that tingling feeling. So you can see why after age 60, keeping this glue strong is absolutely essential for stability. Okay, so how do we rebuild this glue? Well, let's start with our first group of amazing snacks, what we'll call direct collagen rebuilders. These are going to give your body the exact raw materials it's been asking for. First up, gelatin fruit nibbles. And look, don't just think of gelatin as that jiggly dessert from when you were a kid. It is literally just cooked collagen, which means your body can absorb it super easily. In fact, there was a study that showed regular gelatin intake actually led to a 37% drop in joint pain. I mean, that is a huge difference from a simple snack you can whip up in minutes. And next, an old school remedy that is a classic for a reason, chicken bone broth. When you simmer those bones for a few hours, all that incredible collagen and those amazing amino acids just melt into this warm, soothing broth. And you know you've done it right when it cools and turns into a gel. That's the collagen power right there. A warm mug of this can seriously help ease those creaky joints and feed the tissues that protect your nerves. Okay, so giving your body ready to use collagen is great. But what if you could help your body make its own? That is where our next category of snacks comes in, vitamin C power snacks. You can think of vitamin C as the ignition key that turns on your body's own internal collagen factory. Let's start with something really simple and refreshing. Cantaloupe mint bites. You know, cantaloupe is such an unsung hero. A single cup gives you this massive dose of the vitamin C your body is craving to produce collagen, and that translates directly into less stiffness, more flexibility. Plus, the pistachios add that perfect little crunch. Now, if you thought cantaloupe was impressive, you might want to sit down for this next one. We all think of oranges as the king of vitamin C, right? Well, there's another fruit that just completely blows it out of the water. Just look at this. It's incredible. For the exact same amount, guava has more than 4 times the vitamin C of an orange. 4 times! It's not even a contest. Guava is an absolute superstar when it comes to firing up your body's collagen production. So how do we put this powerhouse to work? A guava power yogurt bowl. This is the perfect 1-2 punch. The guava gives you that all-important vitamin C key, and the Greek yogurt gives you the protein building blocks your body needs to actually build new, strong tissue. It's just a brilliant combination for fighting that feeling of weakness. And hey, let's not forget the runner-up from that chart, the simple kiwi crunch snack. Just eating 2 or 3 kiwis can totally flood your system with the vitamin C it needs. You pair that with some healthy fats from almonds or walnuts, and you've got a super simple, delicious way to support your joints and nerves, helping to calm down that tingling and weakness. So we've covered giving your body collagen and helping it make more. The last piece of this puzzle is protecting the collagen you already have. And that's where these protective antioxidant bites come in. And yes, you are seeing that correctly. Chocolate can be medicine. But we are talking about the good stuff, high cacao dark chocolate, 70% or more. The powerful little compounds inside, called flavonols, actually help your body fight inflammation and kickstart its own repair systems. So think of it less like a candy and more like a recovery tool. Next up, a beautiful classic, the tomato caprese snack.
This is the perfect example of a snack that plays both offense and defense. The tomatoes give you vitamin C to build new collagen, while a powerful antioxidant in them called lycopene helps protect the collagen you've already got from damage. It's just brilliant.
And finally, pineapple nut bites. Pineapple has this really unique secret weapon, an enzyme called bromelain. Its specialty is fighting inflammation deep inside your body, right where it can cause stiffness and irritate your nerves. Fun little fact, bromelain is so good at what it does, it's actually used as a natural meat tenderizer. So pairing it with nuts makes for a snack that is actively helping you move easier. So, after all of this, what's the takeaway? Well, we've basically just built an entire toolkit of delicious, simple snacks that can help you pave your very own path to moving better and feeling so much stronger.
And here it is, all laid out for you, your personal collagen snack toolkit. You've got everything from those rich, dark chocolate clusters and soothing bone broth to refreshing cantaloupe cubes and tangy pineapple bites. Look at all those. 8 fantastic, powerful options to pick from.
And please, remember, you do not have to do all of this at once. This isn't about some massive, overwhelming lifestyle change. The journey to feeling better really just starts with one small step. Even adding just one of these snacks into your day gives your body the signal and the tools it needs to start that repair process. And that really brings us to the final and most important question. Looking at this whole toolkit and thinking about everything we've just talked about, which one of these amazing healing snacks are you going to add to your day first?